Welcome back to the Abby Cakes YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making cake cups using leftover cake scraps. So if you decorate cakes, you know that there's always a leftover cake or there's scraps. If you trim your cakes, they should not go wasted. We try to minimize waste as much as we can around here. So we take the leftovers and make little cake cups out of them. So truly we're just throwing all the scraps in here, loading it with whatever toppings we want, and dressing it up with sprinkles, sauce, fruit. It reminds me of going to an ice cream shop and just loading up on ice cream and all the toppings. And so this is just like that. And it's fun. If you have kids, they will love to do this. There's nothing fancy or precise about it. It's just having fun and being creative and using whatever toppings you have on hand. So when I trim my cakes, I really just put them in a bag like this when I'm done. Just because I've trimmed it doesn't mean it's bad cake or you don't want to eat it. It's just I prefer to not decorate cakes when they have the top coating that's a little bit more brown. I like a nice even top. So I save all the scraps and we're going to use them now. I have two different kinds of cups here. I've got just a clear container, which is really cool if you want to show all the different cake scraps that are in here. If you're going to do a layer of icing or some kind of sauce over the cake and then another layer of cake, it's really cool to be able to see it like this. I personally like these ones more. We use these in the bake shop. So I'm gonna use this one today, but you can use any little cup jar that you have on hand. So I really just am gonna take some of this cake. I don't wanna crumble it up completely because I don't really want it to be crumbs of cake. It's just scraps of cake. So that in there, and this is a birthday cake, so I want to show some of the sprinkles. So that looks pretty good. I like the whole idea of like the ice cream scoop, looks like a sundae. So I am going to take a little tiny cookie scoop that we have, add a little bit of buttercream. I'm gonna add a little bit more cake. I really like strawberry sauce, so I'm gonna throw some in there. I feel like the cake scraps are kind of like brownies or banana bread. Some people love the ends and some people don't. I actually really do for this. So I'm putting the scraps and ends in there. Could take a big cookie scoop if you want and do just one dollop. I like the look of two of them. Do one scoop. And this is strawberry buttercream. Put that there. I want to add a little chocolate sauce, kind of dripping over. And you can be as creative as you want with these flavors. I like to take any extra candies that I have lying around, any toasted nuts, throw them in here. Just have fun with it, but don't waste your cake. Do a little bit of freeze-dried strawberries. And then I have a strawberry cut here to lay on top, just like that. And then I think I'm gonna glaze the strawberry a little bit to give it that final touch, and then that's it. So we mostly glaze the fruit on our tarts, but I really like the way it looks with this cake cup. Just kind of dresses it up a notch. All right, so we have our finished product here. We used our cake scraps after trimming our cake to make this cute little cake cup. It's birthday cake, strawberry buttercream, chocolate sauce, and fresh strawberries. These are so great, seriously. If you have leftover cake scraps, definitely do this. A little tip, I actually don't use our cake scraps to make cake pops because the cake is too moist and it'll fall off the stick. So this is a perfect way to go. If you make cake scrap cups, let us know. If you have a really creative flavor, let us know too. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.